Yeah, there. So you need to basically point and click. So no, it has to be at that particular angle. So don't rotate it, yeah, right there. So just slowly just rotate, yeah.
So you can play any in infotainment, whatever is it, that also you can test via this.
That you can test, yeah.
You can do
that
it.
can be tested, yeah.
Real time.
So you will have to program it in Unity, and then basically what you'll have to do is program the different videos or scenarios from your say if you use Figma. From Figma you can make your prototypes, put them here in the backend in Unity, and you can test it.
Okay. Right now, what is the main objective? Right now, what
This
is
is reachability test, feasibility testing.
Oh, okay,
Reachability is whether your hands reach.
Understood.
You know,
Okay.
your grab handles, you know, your
Those kind of
sunshades.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but basically, okay.
So, see, no. So just rotate your hand, yeah, right there, a little bit. Yeah. So you need to be at this angle. Okay. Yeah. So actually, this was designed for the haptic gloves. So that's the reason why we put the menu on the hands. You can actually interact with your arms. If you just click back. No, you need to be at the same angle. Yeah. So go to the DVP list. Go to review. Just 1 second. Just click review. Go to DVP list. Just keep the hand in it. Now select steering wheel. You can move the steering at this hand. So just click and move. Click means so like this. Okay. Use this.
Wow.
So you can't rotate it fully, right? So, yes, that's why it resets to its original position.
Things I can feel something this time.
Yeah. For full feasibility and to get the feel of that, you'll have to use haptic gloves.
Yeah.
So this is just it's a test demo that we did for this conference.
So with haptic gloves, you'll be able to feel the
Yeah. So you have to. So if you use Unity, you can code your weight distribution as per your how much force you need to apply to open it. So that can be coded into the haptic gloves.
Do you have any that kind of working this one right now?
We can't show that because it's under NDA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So right now, whatever your feature, right, it's basically for touch and feel, reachability, those kind of things,
test,
right now.
yeah.
But the same thing, right now, I work for infotainment testing only.
Yeah.
So those kind of scenarios, we right now will be having only touch bench, and there
so you can test it in this.
That's what
So in this, how it will be tested is basically how ideal scenario will be you basically remove all this UI. You will only focus on that area. Okay. There you can basically program it in such a way so that using the controller you can test it, or you will have to use haptic gloves or some sort of gloves, or you can use your hands as well. But the limitation of using it with your hand is the accuracy will only be around 75-80%. You can't get that 100% accuracy that you get on an HMI.
But basically you're telling now if you're seeing the cluster here, I will be able to see touch, and I'll be able to say real time.
Yeah, difference. You can feel that. Yeah,
but how will that work? How are you going to program that?
Basically, you can use your hands. Okay, you can use your hands also for this device. Okay,
correct.
So how you use a touch screen, you can basically program that using Unity, right? So you can just use it like a touch screen in the car.
Okay.
That is not immersive. That's just a 2D plane, right? So you can
this full is internally you will be able to handle tap and
you can do that. Yeah.
Those kind of things. Wherever you want, it will tap properly.
Unity game technologies, right?
Okay.
Using Unity game technologies, Unity has a plugin where you can basically only thing is the medium is VR, right? Okay. Underlying technology is Unity only.
This is very interesting actually. Yeah. But right now we have not worked on that kind of this one. Right?
So this one actually needs a little bit more.